What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are all having a great day. And I'm having a great day because I'm actually going on a trip to Virginia to do something with the good old Duramax right here. And before I do this trip, I started thinking about it. I was like, it's probably been 10 to 15,000 miles before I did an oil change on this thing. Yes, you heard me correctly. 10 to 15,000 miles on this truck since the last oil change. I'm like, what the hell are you doing, Andy? That's not cool. I'm like, sorry guys, like, I've been busy, you know? Plus it broke down and I had to get fixed and all this other stuff. Actually, it was pretty funny because Sen and Steve, actually, I didn't tell him that it needed an oil change, but he told me, he's like, if I would have known it needed an oil change, I would have done the oil change too. And I'm like, sorry dude, like, I forgot to tell you, I don't know. So basically what we're going to do today is we're going to change out the fuel filters, which I have 2 of them, and we're going to change out the oil. And what we're using here is good old Rotella T5 freaking engine oil. Put that in there. We have a CarQuest filter. This is my fuel filter, one of my fuel filters from my Fast 150 that's on the truck. We'll see that here in a minute. And then my actual oil filter, AC Delco. Always recommend to use AC Delco. And then we have a Purolator Boss, because I'm the damn boss, oil filter as well. So let's pop the hood and drain the oil out. It's probably dirty as hell, but we're gonna see how dirty it is here after like 10-15,000 miles of driving. So first thing we need to do is get our asses underneath this thing. Look at that. Would you look at that? There's my oil filter right there. There's my drain plug. We'll do the drain plug first. Alrighty. This is probably gonna burn a little bit, but you know what? That's the name of the game. Ooh, that's black. That is black. Oh yeah, she's living her life. That's next thing. Here, next thing is this filter. Get this filter off. I did loosen it up prior, so. Oh yeah. Oh, it's all in my fingers. Oh lordy. Oh, disgusting. Yuck. All right, now that we got most of the oil, the junk, freaking oil out of this thing, we got our filter right here. We're gonna go ahead and stick that sucker on. All right, new Purolator filter on, plugs in. Now it's time to put some oil in this bitch. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do here, since oil's changed now, is we gotta get that filter off right there and put the pieces from this filter onto the other filter. And then we gotta change the Fast 150 filter, which we'll do after we do this filter. Well, we're going to try to do this one-handed, but we're probably going to drop it everywhere. Not going to lie, I don't like changing this filter right here. It sucks a lot. Now that that filter's off, I have to take this piece here and put it on a new filter here. So that just takes a pair of pliers to get that thing off there. Just unscrews from the bottom of the filter, and then it goes into this one here. off here, like so. I do have new O-rings for both this and the filter. So obviously you want to replace them. And then basically that just screws back in there. Then this O-ring goes in here like so. Clean this pretty right far off here. Let me put it back in. Alright, the next thing is, or the last thing, get back down the ground here, is my Fast 150 lift pump. Needs to come out. This is kind of a mess. We're gonna get it though, boys. We're gonna get it. She's a dripping, so that means she's a working. These filters have been on for a while too. You can tell by the rust. You guys are probably hating me right now. Damn, Andy, you don't maintenance none of your shit. What the hell? Look at the rust in there. Oh my god. Obviously that's been working. So we're gonna let that drain a little bit, and then we'll get our other lift pump filter and stick that sucker on. Alright, here's my new filter. Part number CarQuest 86405. Gonna stick her up in there like so. Oh yeah. Nice and fresh and clean. Look at that. Alrighty. Get her nice and tight, and then that's good to go. Now that all of our filters are on, oil's changed, got 10 quarts. It does take 10 quarts of this freaking beast right here. We're gonna start it up. Now the nice thing about my diesel and a lot of other guys' diesels is the fact that I have a lift pump. And what that lift pump does is it actually suctions fuel out of the gas tank and pushes it up to the CP3 pump. If I didn't have that, I would literally have to prime this sucker using this button right here and the little set screw up top to get fuel to prime up to the filter. But like I said, in my case, I don't have to do that. I can literally just get in and start her up. So let's do that. Now she might take a little bit. We're gonna get the CP or we're gonna get the lift pump to do its job. It's gonna push fuel up for me. Alrighty. And she starts right up. Where's my oil pressure at? Come on, oil pressure. There we go. I do need to reset the engine light, but it does take a few cranks to get it. You can prime that thing out there if you really want to. I don't, but because I don't care. I just 500,000 miles, almost half a million miles on this damn truck. I don't care about a little bit of air getting in the system because I'm not scared. Let the oil pressure do its thing. Oh yeah. Let it run for a few minutes and then check the oil. Let's see. Make sure there's no leaks, drips, or errors. Check this filter down here, make sure it's nice and tight. Yep, that's nice and tight. Alright. Let's see what our oil looks like here. Looks like we need a little bit more. Looks like we didn't quite have enough. So we're gonna have to order some more oil, which isn't a big deal. Yeah, she's a little low still. I mean, she's there, but probably another 2 quarts maybe. I don't know. Last thing I need to do is reset the oil light. I think my little guy will do it. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. If it doesn't do it, I get my big Game Boy scanner. I think this little one does it too. This is usually the one I keep in the truck anyways. Diagnose. Reset. Oil lamp reset. Let's see, GMC or GM. It's checking right now. I did order another quart of oil, so software reset, automatic scan, ignition's on, communicating. Oil reset values 0%. If you want to reset, press OK. 1 0 0. Done. Cool. Alright, let's see if that light comes back on anymore. Problem solved. Look at that. And we were fucking good to go, guys. We are good to go. Oil is changed in the Dirty Max. Did almost forget to show you guys what the oil looked like. Actually, it's over here. What it looked like after like the 10,000 miles that I put on it. Right here it is. So we'll dip our finger in here. So that's pretty black, guys. Look at that. That is pretty freaking black. But it is diesel oil, so it's supposed to be black like that. Let's wipe my finger off here. Oh my God. Ugh. Yuck. Disgusting. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. Finally got the oil changed in the Duramax. I should probably keep up on that just a little bit more, but you know, I'm so busy here sometimes I don't have time to do it. I should have had Steve do it, honestly, but I totally forgot to tell him to do it in the first place. But no big deal. It's all done. New fuel filters. The truck is ready to go on this nice long journey, which is going to be the next video, guys. And it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one, but we're going down to Virginia, 4 or 5 hours away to pick up something, and we need my truck to pick it up. And I think you guys are going to like it. It's going to be pretty cool. So if you enjoyed this content, do me a big favor. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video. You're not going to want to miss it. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.